Welcome back to the channel. If you love high-performance electric cars, make sure you hit that subscribe button because today we're diving into one of the most anticipated EV matchups of 2026, the BMW M3 EV versus the Tesla Model 3 Performance 2026 refresh. Both promise thrilling speed, cutting-edge tech, and the future of electric performance driving. Let's break them down, step by step. The BMW M3 EV carries the new generation mDNA with a sharper, more muscular body, aggressive air channels, and slimmer laser quad headlights. The proportions remain wide and sporty, and the signature illuminated kidney design gives it a futuristic identity. Its stance instantly communicates power, with every angle screaming performance. Tesla's refreshed Model 3 Performance takes a cleaner, minimalist approach. The redesigned aero front bumper, slimmer LED headlights, and a more sculpted rear diffuser improve airflow and reduce drag. The new wheels and carbon accents give it a sportier, more confident personality, while maintaining Tesla's clean design philosophy. Inside the M3 EV, BMW blends luxury with motorsport character. Alcantara touches, carbon trims, and the iconic M bucket seats elevate the driving atmosphere. The curved dual-screen setup feels premium, while ambient lighting and high-quality materials add refinement. It's a cockpit made for drivers who love performance and comfort. Tesla continues its minimal interior approach. No clutter, no unnecessary elements. The redesigned cabin features improved materials, ventilated sports seats, and a brighter 15-inch center display. The new rear screen adds entertainment for passengers. While simpler than BMW, Tesla's cabin focuses on openness, tech, and comfort. The first ever fully electric M3 comes with dual or tri-motor setups, producing mind-blowing instant torque. With an estimated 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in around 2.8 seconds, the M3 EV delivers brutal acceleration. M-tuned all-wheel traction, performance torque vectoring, and a lower battery center give it razor-sharp handling. Tesla pushes its refreshed dual-motor system harder than ever, launching from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in a blistering 2.9 seconds. Its lighter platform and improved inverter efficiency help it maintain consistent acceleration. While not as aggressive as BMW's M-tuning, Tesla's acceleration remains class-leading and incredibly responsive. The M3 EV gets BMW's 800-volt performance battery, optimized for high-output driving. It offers around 500-plus kilometers of real-world range, depending on driving style. Fast-charging peaks allow it to go from 10% to 80% in under 20 minutes, built for speed without long charging delays. With a projected 550 to 600 kilometers range. The new cell chemistry and better aerodynamics improve long-distance performance. While its charging curve is slightly different from BMW, Tesla's supercharger network gives it a major convenience advantage. The new mDrive interface offers customizable power delivery, drift mode, adaptive suspension, and live performance telemetry. The heads-up display now includes M graphics, and the driver assistance systems are tuned for sporty driving. BMW packs serious performance tech into every part of the driving experience. Tesla counters with improved autopilot vision, smarter cabin AI, and an upgraded infotainment engine. The new gaming-grade processor boosts screen responsiveness, while the refreshed UI gives more real-time driver data. Tesla remains king of tech simplicity. Everything is clean, fast, and intelligent. This is where the M3 EV shines. Its steering feedback is sharper, Body control is tighter, and torque vectoring gives unmatched cornering aggression. The battery placement creates a near-perfect weight balance. It feels planted, confident, and ready for track duty. Tesla improves chassis stiffness and suspension tuning for 2026. While more stable and confidence-building than previous models, its steering feel remains lighter and less detailed than BMW. It's quick and agile, but still tuned for everyday performance, rather than hardcore track driving. As an M car, the M3 EV comes at a premium. You're paying for performance heritage, build quality, and driving prestige. Maintenance is low for an EV, but ownership cost remains higher due to premium materials and M-specific parts. Tesla remains the better value option. Lower price, lower maintenance cost, and access to the supercharger network give it an edge. For buyers who prioritize tech, speed, and convenience, Tesla delivers more value per dollar. So, which one should you choose? If you want raw motorsport DNA, sharp handling, luxury, and the emotional thrill of an M car, the BMW M3 EV is your machine. If you want cutting-edge tech, long range, great value, and lightning-fast acceleration, the Tesla Model 3 Performance 2026 is unbeatable. Tell us in the comments which one you would pick. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more performance EV comparisons.